AT&T cordless phones not ringing can stem from three main issues: volume settings, line problems, or ringer malfunctions. Software glitches from outdated firmware and interference from devices like Wi-Fi 7 routers are also common culprits. We'll guide you through quick fixes to resolve these issues in minutes. The most common reason for a silent phone is a muted or low ringer volume. First, access your base station's menu using the keypad. Ensure the ringer volume is set to an audible level between 1 and 10. Also, check for a dedicated mute button on the base or handset and make sure it's not activated. A faulty landline connection can prevent your phone from ringing. Check all cables connecting the base station to the wall jack and ensure they are securely plugged in. Look for any signs of damage or corrosion on the ports. If you have a DSL service, ensure a DSL filter is properly installed to prevent interference. Internal faults within the phone can cause ringer failures. Ensure the handset batteries are fully charged, as low power can disable the ringer. Try power cycling the phone by unplugging the base station for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This can resolve minor software glitches. AT&T's Smart Home app offers over-the-air firmware updates for compatible models like the CL series. The app uses AI diagnostics to detect and fix ringer faults by analyzing signal strength and volume settings. Check the app for available updates and install them to ensure optimal performance. Cordless phones can experience interference from other devices, such as Wi-Fi routers, especially Wi-Fi 7 models, Bluetooth devices, and microwaves. This interference can prevent the phone from ringing properly. To fix this, try moving the base station away from these interfering devices. AT&T advisories in Q4 2025 highlight this as a common issue that can often be resolved quickly. If you've tried all these steps and your AT&T cordless phone is still not ringing, it may indicate a more serious hardware problem. Contact AT&T support or a qualified electronics repair technician for further assistance. Regular maintenance and firmware updates can prevent future issues.